Hi, I'm Nirmal. Welcome to SpiceInYou. Let's make tempered water spinach, kangkung. Let's get started. For this, you're gonna need water spinach, salt, chili flakes, oil, onion, green chili, tomato. You can use any type of fresh tomato, the ripe ones, garlic, turmeric, moldy fish. Well, this option you can totally avoid if you're a vegetarian or vegan, so it's all up to you. Okay, we're going to start the process. Turn the heat on. Add oil. Just put for about 4 tablespoons. You can check the heat by hovering your hand over the pan, or even you can splash a little bit of water on it too. Yep, be good. So add your onions. So I have used about a half an onion, garlic. I used 4 cloves, and the green chili. Green chili I have used 3. I have chopped it because you shouldn't have the big chunks of chili here. So even if you had a bite, so you will not feel so much spice here. Keep the flame high, but still make sure that your onions is not burnt. Stir it occasionally to make sure the bottom is not burnt. Now you can see the onions has been becoming softened and started to become brown, and right now you need to put the moldy fish, which is about 50 grams. I have used it here. Okay, so your moldy fish has been perfectly toasted, and now what you need to put is your chili flakes and the other spices. I'm going to put 1.5 tablespoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and by this time, so you need to make sure that the fire is low, because when you put the chili flakes, it shouldn't be, the flame shouldn't be on high, otherwise it will burn. Now add your tomatoes. Here I have used about 150 grams, I would say, and mix along with the rest of the stuff. Alright, so add your kangkung, the water spinach. I think I have spilled a little bit here. And salt. You need about 2 teaspoons here. And give a stir. What you need to do here is cook this in a very high flame for a short period of time, up until the spinach get cooked through, and you can notice that it will not take a really long time, so you can finish this dish in very short period. Alright, so we are at the final few minutes of this recipe, so I turn the heat off. Now as you can see, this water spinach has been perfectly cooked, and the seasoning is perfect. There's nothing to add, nothing less. But if you're not used to the spicy food, so you can adjust the chili flakes as the required level that you need. Okay, so the best part, the tasting part. So it's a bit spicy, but it's so much refreshing, so much refreshing. But if you're having it with rice or any kind of even you can have it with bread, but mostly in Sri Lanka we are having this water spinach with rice. The main thing, if you have any questions, so that is very important to me. So if you have any questions, just write to me on the comment section. Then I will reply to you, each and every one of you. Trust me, try this recipe and enjoy it at home.